Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing how to cook fried chicken wings in a deep fryer. So I did not show how I cleaned my chicken, but I did clean it. I used water and vinegar. And if there was any feathers, I just pulled them out. But what you want to do is once you clean it, you do want to pat it dry. And you can use a paper towel for that. So once you cleaned your chicken and pat it dry, you're going to season your chicken. You can use whatever seasonings you want, but when I season my chicken, I use onion powder, black pepper, salt, and another seasoning that I'll show in a little bit, I think right after this clip. But make sure you season it really good, and I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Also, I am recording off of my cell phone, so I know it's not the best quality, and I wish I would have turned my phone so it could be a better picture. But you can see that it's well seasoned. It's in a clear bowl, so you could see it better. So once you season the chicken, you want to use flour, and the flour that I used was all-purpose flour. You also want to season your flour. Some people don't do that. I do. I season my flour as well, just to give it more flavor. So once you flour it, you want to let it sit in the flour for about 7, probably 12 minutes. Let it sit in the flour. And I'm also going to turn the end of the wing so it can fit better in my deep fryer. You can see how I flipped the end part just so it can fit better, so I can have more fit in the deep fryer. So I used vegetable oil. That's the oil that I'm using, and my temperature is at 350 degrees. So you can see that it's getting this golden brown color. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. It's going to be delicious. Alright, so this is the first batch of my chicken wings. They were so good. You can see it's golden brown. It's going to flip it over. This is the inside of it, so you know that it's done. Some people don't show you when it's done. They'll have a video of the chicken or the food that they're making, and you can't tell if it's done or not, but I'm showing you that it's done. It is delicious. And that is the end of my video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.